Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can set up the reminders for the Google Assistant on your Android smartphone. So in prior of starting, please note the fact that we highly recommend that you update your Android to its last version. So let's go ahead and call up for the Google Assistant. Go to the settings and here look for the reminder setting. In order to set up the reminder, you just tap on this blue button, Create, name the reminder somehow. I'll name it Car. Configure it, so I'll set it up for today, evening, and we'll let it know that it does not need to repeat. Press on Save, and as you can see, we have successfully set up the reminder. Let's check it out real quick. Hey Google, do I have any active reminders?
You have one reminder. Today at 6 p.m. Car.
Great success. And there is the second way to set up the reminder, which is kind of cooler in my opinion. So let me show it to you real quick. Okay, Google, can you set up the reminder for me?
What's the reminder?
Elephant.
Alright, elephants. When do you want to be reminded?
Today at 8 p.m.
Sure, I'll remind you at 8 p.m.
Alright, thank you. So, as you can see, the Google Assistant has successfully set up the reminder using just our voice, which is cool, I think. And now the last check. Do I have the elephant's reminder?
To set up or change your family sharing group, tap Manage Family Group.
Alright, that didn't work. Okay, Google, what reminders do I have?
You have two reminders. Today at 8 p.m. Elephants. Today at 6 p.m. Car.
Great success. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.